Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 and today I would like to show you how you can change font size on this device. You need to start by accessing Settings. After that, scroll down and click on Display and Brightness. After that, you need to click on Text Size over here and swipe left or right on this slider in order to adjust it. You can see a preview over here. After that, you need to tap on the top left corner. And as you can see, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!